woke up puffy again, you're not alone. That bloated, swollen look in the morning mirror, ice and tea, your actual face, it's your body holding on to water, inflammation, and stress. But here's the good news. With a simple, consistent morning routine, you can dramatically reduce facial bloating in minutes and start your day looking fresh, sculpted, and confident. No surgery, no filters, just smart, natural science. Let us walk through a powerful step-by-step face-based de-bloating morning routine you can start right now, even if you have no extra time. First, before you even leave the bed, elevate your head while you sleep. This isn't exactly a morning tip, but it sets you up for the morning. Sleeping with your head slightly elevated helps lymphatic fluid and excess water drain downward. If you wake up with puffy eyes or cheeks, your pillow might be the problem now. You're up. Start with cold water on your face. Go to the sink and splash ice-cold water, or even better, do an ice facial. This is one of the most underrated tools for facial sculpting. Cold temperatures constrict blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and tighten your skin temporarily. It's a natural facelift. If you're consistent with it, your face will feel tighter, your eyes brighter, and your cheeks more defined. Next, gua sha or facial massage. Don't scroll past this. Facial massage isn't just some skincare trend, it's grounded in science. Gua sha, a flat stone tool often made from jade or quartz, helps push lymphatic fluid from the face down the neck where it can drain. Use gentle strokes starting at the jawline and move outward and downward. If you don't have a tool, use your fingertips and massage in circular motions. This helps reduce water retention and boosts circulation. Just 5 minutes can make a huge difference. While doing that, apply a lightweight caffeine-infused serum or eye cream. Caffeine constricts blood vessels and reduces puffiness even faster, especially under the eyes. Pair that with a massage, and it's a 1-2 punch against face bloat. Now we move to hydration. Ironically, if your face is bloated, it's often because you're dehydrated. When you don't drink enough water, your body holds on to every drop. Start your morning with a tall glass of warm water and lemon. This not only hydrates but also boosts digestion and reduces inflammation. Add a pinch of sea salt if you want a natural electrolyte boost to flush out water more effectively. Next, avoid instant bloating triggers. Skip high-sodium breakfasts like processed cereal, instant noodles, and microwave meals. Go for a breakfast high in potassium and antioxidants. Think avocado toast, bananas, berries, spinach smoothies, or oatmeal with chia. These foods support digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote proper fluid balance. Don't forget movement. Even 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise in the morning, like jumping jacks, walking or stretching, gets your blood flowing, helps flush excess fluids, and jumpstarts your metabolism. It doesn't have to be a full workout, just move your body. Now here's a bonus tip. Cut back on alcohol and late-night meals the night before. One of the biggest reasons your face is puffy in the morning is because your body hasn't processed what you ate or drank. Late-night pizza and drinks, your face will tell on you. Give your system time to digest by finishing your last meal at least 3 hours before bedtime. Lastly, watch your posture and breathing. Shallow mouth breathing at night can lead to facial muscle weakness and tension. Try nasal breathing exercises in the morning and good posture to relax the muscles around your jaw and neck. The more oxygen you bring in, the more detoxification your body can handle. So to recap, elevate your head, splash cold water, do facial massage, hydrate early, eat smart, move your body, and avoid salt-heavy meals the night before. This is the routine that models, actors, and skincare experts swear by, not because it's trendy, but because it works. It's not about changing your face. It's about revealing what's already there, your real, rested, healthy self. Start tomorrow. Try it for just 3 days. You'll feel it, you'll see it, and best of all, you'll believe it.